And they're off. As they turn the curve, there they go. On their way to victory. Each and every one of them, they should all have the mentality that I'm going to be victorious in this race. We got in lane 1 the Wings Track Club A. In lane 2 we got H-Town Hurricanes A. In lane 3 H-Town Hurricanes B. In lane 4 Richmond Elite Youth Track Club A. In lane 5 the Wings Track Club C. In lane 6 Greater Houston Track Club A. In lane 7 Pearland Track Express A. And in lane 8 the Wings Track Club B. All right, y'all, we need to be cheering them on. We need to be on our feet, and we need to be believing that these young ladies are going to give us a show. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We won't accept anything less than a show. There you go, young ladies, all the way through. Push it, push it, push it. Let's go. There we go. Let's get off and let's go. Turn that curve. Let's get there. Let's get there. All right now, okay, we turn the curve. As we turn the curve, we're getting around and it looks like it might be the H-Town Hurricanes that might be taking the lead. Let's go right now. We'll turn the curve and then we got right behind them and look like it might be the Wings. Somebody at the top looked like they came down, might have been Greater Houston. Let's see as they come around the curve. I don't have good vision up here.
Stay with them, man, wrong!
I can see out of this corner right here. When they come around this curve, it look like I can see. Look like it might be. It look like it could be. It might be. It should be. It is. Is it? Somebody talk to me. Is that the Wings in the lead? Oh my God! Look like the Wings that took the lead. Then we got the Hurricanes right behind them. Look like we got a race through. We got the Wings coming up behind them again. Look like Wings are taking the 3rd place. Look at here, they're moving, they're moving, they're moving. Let's see what's going to happen in this 3rd leg. Okay, here we go, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Let's go turn that curve, young ladies. Let's get into that first curve. Let's go. Get out of that curve and let's go. All right, now look at them go, look at them move. Look at the 3rd leg do their thing. Come on now. We're going, we got a race on that backstretch back there between the Wings and the Hurricanes. Look like the Hurricanes want to try to make a move. Look at the 3rd and the 5th place battle right there. That's a great battle going on for 3rd, 4th, and 5th. Let's not exclude them. Let's make sure we pay attention to them as well. All right, as they come around the curve, it looks like they might have a 10-meter lead. And look like Hurricanes are trying to close it down. But look like the Wings are saying no. We refuse to give up this 10-meter lead. We're going to hold it down, and you're going to have to come catch us. They hand the stick off, and let's see what the last leg got in them. Let's see who got the juice. Let's see who got the juice. Okay, here we go. 3rd and 4th leg are battling right now. Look like it's a pretty good battle as well. That might be Pearland Track Express, and we know that's the 2nd leg of the Wings. And that's the 3rd of the Wings that's coming in right now. Okay, we got a battle in the back. Look like the Hurricanes are making a move on the Wings. Oh my God, don't let it happen, but it's gonna happen. Hurricanes are making a move. The Wings are letting them go to the inside. They shouldn't have let them take the inside position, but that's okay. Let's see what's gonna happen in this last 100 meters. Is it gonna be a race? Is it gonna be a fight? Did Hurricanes give out everything that they had to early? Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens.